Okay. We are learning 4 things. One is reading. Second is writing. Third is editing. And fourth is generating. Till now, we have learned reading and writing. We write code, we read code, and do analysis. For example, in our previous classes, when we have done basic graph, we do practice on writing and reading and writing. But in our last class, which is for correlation analysis, we have also done for reading and writing. We read many things as well as we also write many things during these classes. No, today our class is about for editing. No, we will today in our today class we will learn how we edit a code. Actually, our lot of script, lot of code are available on Google. Even each and everything of coding related to data analysis is available on website. For example, if you want to perform correlation analysis, its coding is already available within our website, that is GitHub, or any other websites on Google. You can randomly search on Google. You find a lot of websites which are providing you the code for correlation analysis, dendrogram analysis. The most important question is how we change the script found in website according to our dataset. For example, if we have a dataset named ficus, so please import ficus dataset in your screen number 3 or global environment. Import dataset. From Excel. Desktop. Ficus. No. For example, we have a dataset named ficus, and we want to draw a dendrogram. For example, we want to create dendrogram. So our today topic is how to create dendrogram in R. So if you want to create dendrogram on ficus dataset and you don't know its coding, no idea about its script, no idea about its packages, then you can get help from Google. So in our today class, we will learn how we get help from Google and how we edit script taking from after taking from Google. So open Google Chrome. All participants, please open Google Chrome. All participants, please open Google Chrome and type dendrogram visualization in R and search. Dendrogram visualization in R and search. The first website appeared as STHDA. Beautiful dendrogram visualization in R plus most known methods. Click on this website. I also shared the link of this website within group. Copy and paste it within group. So please open this website and just go through this website. See each and every plot. After seeing all plot, just type done within chat. Okay. Now we need to perform all these analysis on our own data set. So we start read. So a variety of functions exist in R for visualizing and customizing dendrogram. The aim of this article is to describe 5+ methods for drawing a beautiful dendrogram using R software. We start by computing hierarchical clustering using the dataset USRS. So in this websites, 5 different methods are explained for creating a dendrogram. So first we need to here dataset. The most important thing is dataset. The website use the dataset name USRest. The dataset which is using by website or author is USRest. But in our case, we have a dataset named ficus. We want to apply these analysis on ficus dataset, not USRS dataset. So we will do editing on this script. So copy this complete script. Here we use our 2 skills which we already have learned, that is reading and writing. Copy and paste. So first is load dataset. We already have load our dataset, so we don't need this step. Read and edit. I delete this data USRest, but we have data ficus. We already load this dataset, so we also don't need this step. Delete it. No. Compute distance and hierarchical clustering. So this is a very important step for dendrogram or cluster analysis. So the first step is calculate distance. This is the distance. And then is the hierarchical clustering. So we first need to calculate distance. For distance, we use, as in our previous class, we have learned that after less than minus, this indicates that the dd equal to this complete sentence. The result of this complete script will be saved within dd after running this code. So this less than minus sign indicating that dd equal to dist scale us arrest method Euclidean. So we need to read this code. As in our previous classes, we have learned about 20% reading and writing. So first read, that is the dist. Dist is a function. When you click on dist, it show its formula. As when we use core plot, psych, or gplot or qplot. So this is the function dist. Dist function is used to calculate distance matrix. So here is the scale US arrest, but in our case we have a data set named ficus. So we need to replace here ficus. And why we use scale? Scale is used for scaling of data set. For example, when you have different units, for example, you used for centimeter for petal width, meter for petal length, inches for sepal width, and feet for sepal width. So different unit you have used. So you need to do scaling before analysis. So just click on right scale, ficus, and method. You can use other methods, but in this example is a Euclidean distance. So we follow this example. So write Euclidean distance. So I just edit one thing. That is I replace US arrest with ficus. This is the editing. This is known as editing. I edit this code according to my data set. Please do editing or do addition in these lines and type OK or done and run this line. It show me X must be numeric. Anyone can read this error? X must be numeric, and can please let me know what it's mean. X must be numeric. Can you explain? X must be numeric. What we do know? We need -5. So column -5. No, I am satisfied you get 40% reading and writing skill because you have read what is mean by X must be numeric. Okay. Now again run this code. No, it's working. It did not show any error. It's work and it created an argument or file that is dd in screen number 3. Okay. Now read another code that is the hclust. We first we have created distance matrix. Now we need to create hierarchical clustering. For hierarchical clustering, we use hclust function. And for hierarchical clustering, we use distance matrix, not our original file. We use distance matrix. So we write here dd because we save this complete script within dd. No, we don't need to write this complete script here. We just write its short code, that is dd, and here we applied method word method and run. It also working. We have done successfully one script after editing. No. Open again, open website. No. For plot, it is the general formula. Here is the script plot hc. Copy and paste it within R. So here we create a hc. Now we need to draw plot on hc file and run. Have you done dendrogram? If you have done dendrogram, take its pic and share within group. Now we have done our first task, that is cluster dendrogram. No, again open website. Read this website again. So put the label at the same height. No, you can see in image labels are not at the same height and mixed with each other. Similarly, in our case, ficus data is mixed with each other and labels are not at the same height, and these are not justified. So if you want to arrange these labels at same height are justified, you need to write this script, put this label set at the same height, copy and paste it here. So here you don't need to edit anything because already all things are continue. HC, we are also working within HC. We have HC within screen number 3, and we applied hang -1 and CEX. CEX mean character expansion. It indicates that font size. If you increase from 0.6 to 0.8, font size increase. If you decrease it from 0.6 to 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, the size of this uh, decreased. So run this code. No, you can see our plot is at a justified level and all labels are at same height and all are visible, not mixed with each other. Copy it and paste it within. Where did you copy? Just here is a button for zoom. You can zoom it. Zoom, right click. When you press right click button, it shows you save image as, copy image as, copy image address, reload. So you need to copy image and paste it within WhatsApp group. No, our labels are at the same height. No, again open Google. You can change or edit character expansion size for 2 and check. No, if you want to do another method, that is a second method, it is the plot dot dendrogram. In our previous method, we used a function hierarchical clusters. This function hierarchical clustering. In second method, we will used plot dot dendrogram function. So copy this code because we need convert to dendrogram. hclust to dendrogram because in our case you have seen we have created hc. We have created hc, but for creating plot.dendrogram, we need another file that is hcd. So we need to create hcd. If you open website, you can say convert the hclust into a dendrogram and plot. So copy the script, copy, paste it within R, and here is the s.dendrogram hc. So we convert this hc into s.dendrogram and save it within hcd and run. It's work, and now we need to draw its plot. It create a plot for hcd. It is a rectangle plot. If you change its method, it will change its plot shape, as like in our previous class when you change a circle, pie, color, number, it change the plot shape. So if you need to change triangle, copy this triangle, copy the word triangle, and paste it within or replace with the rectangle and run. No, you get another plot that is triangle form. No, if you want to magnify some specific analysis, you can magnify, but ignore it. No, if you want to add nodes per, you need to copy this code and paste it within and run this code. It shows that unexpected symbol because we need to add hashtag. Hashtag means heading. So we need to define or specify hashtag. Now it's working. Plot. No, you can see it created a nodes in blue color. You can change also its color from here, from blue to type red. It will change blue to red. Run. No, you can see dot color change from blue to red. Okay. Now another important method is if you want to change these different lines, you can also run this script, copy and paste. It will give you different color graph. No. Another method is the phylogenetic tree. Is the third method. So now I just guide you and you will do all these remaining plots. But please listen carefully. One important thing is that in all analysis, for example, when we draw basic plot, we use a package name ggplot. When we draw correlation plot, we used psych and core plot package. But when we draw these dendrogram, we ignore packages because all these functions are basic of R. These are already found within R. Similarly, if you buy a new mobile phone, many packages, many functions are already saved within your mobile. For example, call dialer, message, Google, Google Chrome, and many other things are already saved in your mobile. You don't need to install them. But some packages like WhatsApp, Messenger, Yahoo, or any other things, you need to install them. Similarly, these packages which we have used previous steps, that is as.dendrogram and hclust and dist, these are the basic function of R. We don't need to install them. But no, we are using a package which is not a basic function of R. That is a phylogenetic tree. For this purpose, we need a package. So first read it carefully. The package app, APE app, analysis of the phylogenetic and evolutions can be used to produce a more sophisticated dendrograms. The function plot.philo can be used for plotting a dendrogram. A simplified format is here. No, this is the general formula. You don't need to ignore it. So copy this code, copy, paste it here. We need a library app package because I already have this package. So I don't need to install, but I think you don't have this package. You need to install. You can install from packages or just typing install.packages and within inverted comma type app. It will install the package app. Run this code, phylogenetic tree. It created a phylogenetic tree. Now, if you want to change its shape from cladogram, copy this script and run it. Your plot converted into cladogram. It converted into cladogram. Now, if you want to change it to the unrooted plot, you just need to change type name rooted. So I copy this complete code, copy and paste it within here and run this code. No, you get a unrooted dendrogram. Now, if you want to create a circular or fan type plot, just copy this plot. Sorry, copy this script and paste it within R and run this plot. Now our plot look like a circle or fan type. So today class is about how we edit script after taken from a website, or we can say how we take help from website for a specific data analysis for a specific data set. So we have done practice for on ficus data set, script taken from website, and we have successfully done this step. Now, your assignment is start. You know you will do all these type of plot one by one. Read instruction. First read instruction and then follow the instruction and create all these plots given in this websites till before our next class. So all participants please perform all these analysis before our next class. If you found any error, please let me know. So all these plots please draw by reading these instructions and information on your ficus dataset. If you have any question, you can ask. No, today I want to close class. Okay. No, thanks, Dr. Nazar. No, please do practice. And if you found any error, please you can send message within WhatsApp group or WhatsApp. Okay, thanks. Allah Hafiz.